Aqua Ionizer Deluxe 9.5. With over 15 years of experience, Aqua Ionizer Pro has provided functional designs, reliable manufacturing, and clean ionized water solutions for every size of home and office. The Aqua Ionizer Deluxe 9.5 is guaranteed to deliver high-quality results to improve your health and wellness. From making delicious coffee, preserving your laundry's integrity, providing the body with pure antioxidant-rich filtered water, and easy-to-use presets, make it clear that the Aqua Ionizer Deluxe 9.5 is the best alkaline water filtration system. Aqua Ionizer Pro uses proprietary technology to increase the levels of molecular hydrogen and antioxidants to deliver clean, healthy water throughout the home. Choose from 7 healthy filtration options, including 4 continuous ionized alkaline water filtration options, a purification feature, and 2 ionized acidic presets. The impressive construction includes 9 platinum-coated durable titanium plates to provide efficient energy solutions. The self-cleaning unit and housing keep the Aqua Ionizer 9.5 sparkling clean after each use, and reverse polarity at every 10.5 gallons to keep the platinum-coated plates clean and corrosion-free. The Aqua Ionizer Deluxe 9.5 measures 16.1 by 12.6 by 8.7 inches and weighs only 12.45 pounds. Warranty: initial 30-day 100% satisfaction guarantee, plus the Aqua Ionizer VIP lifetime warranty. Pros: provides hydrating, antioxidant-rich, detoxifying water. 10-minute easy installation. Superior warranty for parts and service. Cons: uncommon fitting make installation difficult and costly. Doesn't ionize the water correctly according to the manufacturer. Presets on the unit aren't responsive or consistent.